Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to change paper size in Excel. Very easy and simple method to change paper size in Excel. So firstly you need to click on page layout and now here you see this size option, so just click on it and more paper size, so just click on it. And now here you see this paper size, so just to change it this letter, so here set this letter and now you can click on OK. So this is will be letter size, so this way you can change. Just click on page layout size and here more paper size, and here you need to select this letter and now click on OK. That's it. So this way you can very easily change size to letter in Excel. So thanks for watching.